My name is Cristian Lamson. I am a staff cloud infrastructure engineer based out of Austin, Texas. I've been a captain at the Hands-On Labs for the past 2 years, and today we are going to be covering getting started with vSAN. The good thing about this lab is it's going to introduce those who take it to the concept of vSAN, which is our hyper-converged infrastructure or software-defined storage solution. And so through that, they're going to be able to understand the benefits of using vSAN, how it works, as well as the architecture of vSAN. Yeah, so one of the big things that will set this apart is how we're able to gradually introduce end users to how to use vSAN. So we will cover the architecture, we will talk about the benefits such as storage policy-based management, where we can define performance and availability characteristics at the virtual machine level, and we'll walk the lab users step by step through how to utilize vSAN in their environment. Yeah, the typical user will be those virtual infrastructure administrators who may not have a lot of storage experience. But on top of that, it'll also be the storage administrators that don't necessarily have a lot of vSphere experience or experience with vSAN, and this will do a twofold job of introducing both sets of groups to what vSAN can do. vSAN labs have been updated every year, and so in this version we will be introducing them to vSAN 8, and whereas last year was vSAN 7. I love it for one, engagement with our clients, right? The excitement that they have when they come in here and get to try the latest and greatest software that we have, and then the side discussions as well. So it really gets the ball rolling and talking about how we can help them out in their environments. One of the biggest benefits is the ease of use of vSAN, and this lab will showcase that in spades.